Meow. Okay, so I've sped this up twice the speed. I'm just mapping Kitty's face in here. And I want to go for the cat photo. Looks like the cat's a little bit annoyed, but I want to go more for a surprised look than anything. I love that surprised look, and it's pretty close. So those flat ears, and just getting my eye pockets in here. Makes it a lot easier to get their eyes in the right spot when I do this. And I'm not worrying about being fussy and perfect, because those little imperfections give the drawing character. I don't like where that nose is after all. So let's fix that up. And the inner corners of the eyes really determine where the nose goes, so that's why I fussed with the eyes a little first there. I like that better. Kind of surprised, quizzical look that I'm aiming for. And the flat ears are a big part of it. I'm sure you've seen your cat like this. Just want the eyes to really be the focal point. Oh yes, and don't forget to join our Facebook group. You'll find the link for that group in the video description below, and we'd love to have you if you really want to draw cats. And you'll find some other handy links there too. I was just trying to get that dip in the upper line of the nose, but I think I might have overdone it a bit. Well, that looks a little better with a hint of nostrils. And then I really want to play up these eyes to get that surprised look. Yeah, side of the pencil doesn't work for me as well. Just a suggestion of hair. We don't need to draw every hair, just a suggestion of hair. I don't usually line the whisker dots up, I just usually do them randomly, but I feel like for this drawing it kind of added to the, accentuated the flat ear look, you know, because it's the same angle going up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on that little bell so you get notifications when there's a new video, and we'd love to have you subscribe and help build our community. In this drawing like this, each little line has a potential of either adding to the drawing, adding some character and expression, or creating too much busyness. So I think carefully. But as I said, this is sped up to 2 times, so you know, I am going slower, more thoughtfully. I like that look. And I'm going to speed it up a little more here to finish this drawing up in a short time here too. I love to hear from you. I'd love to hear about what kind of videos work for you, what kind of things you want to learn about drawing cats. And here we go a little faster. So please leave a comment or tell me your cat's name or where you live or something. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and we will see you next time.